Hello and welcome to another video from My Random Hobbies, and today we're going to be taking a look at a new Funko Pop that I've got. I'll just take a little cheeky sip of my chocolate milk before we start. Oh, I love it. And let's get into it. Okay, so today I managed to get a pop that I have been looking for a while, and I wasn't going to pay eBay prices or silly money for it because I knew at some point I would eventually find it, which is exactly what happened. I managed to get myself a She-Ra from Masters of the Universe. Now there are a number of variations of this. This is just the very bog standard common version of it, therefore the cheapest version, but I was able to pick this up for cost price rather than paying inflated prices on the likes of eBay, where people perhaps buy them up and then try and sell them on for a greater price. And this is going to be the last one I think I get in the Masters of the Universe series. I have Skeletor on Panther just up here, and I've also got He-Man on Battle Cat as well next to him, and She-Ra is going to be the last one I think that I'll probably get from the Masters of the Universe Funko Pops. So I'm just going to take it out of the box so we can have a closer look at She-Ra. It'll come out of the box, struggling a bit, and here we go. And actually this is rather a nice Funko Pop. It's got quite a lot of detail on there. So again, we're not going to get a lot of glare, hopefully. I'm just going to turn the lighting down a little bit. There we go, so that it just helps. So we've got her shield and sword. She's got a tiara crowny thing on her head, but it's pretty good. And again, she's got a cloak at the back, which almost does look separate from the body. I don't know if you can see that. So again, a nice figure. The head does move on this one, so it's slightly posable. So I will be placing this back in the box, and the reason I do that is because, yes, it retains value. So if I decide at a later date that I've had enough of collecting Funko Pops, I can return some of my investment by selling them. But also, for me, it's about the artwork as well on the box, and particularly with film and TV, it's about the logos that go along that remind you also of the TV series or film series, whatever it is that I've got the Funko Pop for. So that's going to go back into its box, should slide nicely in there, and then that's going to go back on my shelf. And you'll notice it's going on the end of there, and the ones on the end are forward facing, so I sort of rotate those around every now and again so I get a different pop at the front. And so yeah, that's my latest Funko Pop. I've got a couple more coming hopefully, but they're on pre-order from America, so that who knows when they'll arrive. I think a couple of them are even maybe a couple of months away yet before they're even released. They're on pre-order, so when they arrive, obviously we'll do a video about those and any I pick up in the near future. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to get back to my chocolate milk, and I'll see you again for another video soon. Take care. Bye bye.